Safety alert! Safety alert!
On behalf of the Louisa County Sheriff's Office for a child abduction that occurred on January 10th, 2021. The child is believed to be in extreme danger and was last seen at a residence in Louisa County, Virginia. Abducted is Killian Briers, white male with blonde hair and blue eyes, 7 months old, 1 foot 8 inches tall, weighing 19 pounds. The child is believed to have been abducted by Lauren Lloyd, a white female with red hair, blue eyes, 5 foot 3 inches tall, weighing 165 pounds. She was last seen driving a 2008 white Honda Accord with Virginia registration UJY 6994. For further information, contact the Louisa County Sheriff's Office at 540-967-1234 or visit www.vaamberalert.com.